Hello everyone, my name is Dean from DKBrickStudios, and today I'll be showing you how to be building the Resistance X-Wing from Star Wars Episode 7, The Force Awakens. But before we get started, let me roll that intro and we'll get started from there, shall we? Let's. Righty, so here we are, and here it is, the Resistance X-Wing from Star Wars Episode 7. Yep, this is a nice model. Yep, if you have not seen my mock spotlight, go check that out, because this, it connects to that, that plays into that, so you can see more in detail about that. But before we get showing you how to build this thing, wait, I forgot one more important thing. I forgot to open that, my bad. Make a new tab, my bad. But, never mind, that's more of me than for you, but, we'll look at views and then we'll get started, shall we? Let's. Here's a front view, back, left, right, bottom, and a top. So yeah, now if you are going to build this as a Poe's X-Wing model, you can take out the blue pieces and swap them for orange, and all the white and swap it for gray, swap it for black, and take this red piece right here and take it for orange. So that's basically what you can do there for Poe. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say for now. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna make sure I'm all prepared here. I kind of just started recording right off the bat, but nonetheless, let's get started, shall we? Let's. So, step 1, we need a plate 2x2, a 2x3, two 2x2s, a 2x3, and a 1x4. Okay, so we're gonna need a 2x2. Wait, let's just attach the 2x2 on there as well. My bad. And as I add parts in here, you're going to see all the parts that are being added into this build onto there. So yeah. So that's what's going to be happening while I build. Plate and a plate 1x4 right there. Now we're going to need a plate 1x4 white and a plate 1x2 with a grill piece right there. Okay, Now we're going to need a plate 1x2 and a transparent cheese slope for that. So we'll need a plate 1x2 right here. Transclear, and we'll go right there, like so. And there we have the front section of the X-Wing all done already. Look at us, we're chugging along hard. Alrighty, so now we're building the back of the X-Wing, as you can see. So we need a plate 1x1 modified to more 1x2 plate modified with these hold these, I forgot what these are. With handle on the side, free ends, and a 2x4. 2x2, I mean, not a 2x4, but a 2x2. Plate modified. We needed a modified plate. I need this in white. And we will put that there, and we're going to need a plate 2x2. Alrighty, that's what that should look like. I'm just going to move this up a bit, just so I have a little more operating room. Need that, and then 2 plate 1x2s. Okay, then. So we're going to need 2 plate 1x2s. No, this, 1, 2. And you want it looking like that for right now. This one looking like that. I just want to double check. I could have been mistaken, folks. I've been mistaken before. Need a modified plate 1x2 and a tile plate 1x2. I'll grab the tile. and the modified plate right now. Like so, and that's what that should look like for right now. Okay, now we're going to add 4 clips that are like so. There, and you go there. Alrighty. So now we need now we need 4 1x1s. 1x2s, I mean. Yeah, God, I know what plate we need, piece we need. I know what piece that is. Okay, now we need the same piece again, but on the opposite side. Like so, as you can see what I am doing here. That's how that should look. Looking like an X-Wing. Now you're going to need to add modified plates 1x2 with the slope with the curved piece, but we're going to have it in this specific configuration. So we need that in white, slow, curved round bricks. Now if you don't have access to these pieces, that is perfectly fine. You don't have to ultimately add them. I just feel like it's a great way to just add a little. It's just a little. I feel like it's important to add that to the model. Quickly move this all over. Move this off to the side a bit more there, like so. We have an X-wing. Now we add 4 1x1, 4 lightsaber hilts, blades. I mean blades, not rounds. God. Not Kylo Ren's, but just a regular one. And then we need to do is start doing the engines. So it's pretty much the remaining steps are adding the engines. Well, the next set of steps. So step we need. It's just I'll just do the remaining. Those I'll do like I believe it's check here. 1, 2, 3. Yep. The next 3 steps are just adding the engines. The whole engine assembly stuff, so we'll just add that all on right now. Instead of me having to keep flipping back and forth and making sure I'm doing this all right, no, we're just gonna add this all on. What the hell? Okay. Okay, it should go all the way in, but I don't know why it's misbehaving, so I'm just going to continue chugging along here, folks. So yeah, they should all, so I'm going to show you here, they should all be on. They should be pretty much up to where that is. Up to where this 1x1 is. Where this 1x2 pieces. So yeah, that's pretty much where that should be. So now we're adding the front part So we need round 1 by 1 blue and a round 1 by gray. So we need blue, plate, round. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to here, and then we do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to here. Before I actually do that, now the last step, we gotta add the engines and the droid. You can make that whatever color you want. I'm just gonna, because I'm gonna make it a different color here as well. I'm not gonna copy the exact coloring. Which color are we here? Oh, trans dark pink. Okay then. We need this in trans dark pink. And let's go with a green. I want green as my astromech droid for this tutorial. And yeah, there you go. Your X-Wing from Episode 7, The Force Awakens. That's not that hard to build. So yeah, this is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. And yeah, before I sign off, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You'll be getting more stuff like this, science, not just Star Wars wise, but science fiction wise. I do a bunch of stuff like this. And yeah, check out my Twitch channel. Link to that might be in the description down below, so you could I stream there every Friday, hopefully. Also check out my friend's novel. Link to that in the description down below, along with my socials. Is there anything else I'm missing? Also, yeah, please comment down below what you would like me to see. What models you would like to see in the future. Who knows? You might become a build talk video. That build might become a build talk video. That build might become a might actually have its own. Might actually have its own thing. Stuff and all that. Or have its tutorial in mock spotlight. Who knows? It'll come down one day. It might happen one day. So yeah, this is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. Remember, may the force of others be with you always. I'll see you all in the next video.
Chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot and let go.